Students, now we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise number 3.3. In this question is given that in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the following points lie. Means ये जो points दिए हुए हैं ये points किस quadrant में या किस axis पे है ये बताना है. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane की बात हो रही है. That means we have to draw a Cartesian plane and you all know how to draw Cartesian plane. First of all, draw two lines. One is horizontal and second one is vertical. Vertical line is axis y axis and horizontal line is x axis. Then numbering 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Here after numbering what we do, we plot the points. First point is -2 and 4. So -2 is here on the x axis and 4 is on the y axis, that means here. So here we will draw two perpendiculars. One is from at point -2 and second one is at 4. So this corner will be our the exact point -2 and 4. Second one is 3 and -1. 3 is on the x axis positive direction, 3 and -1, that means on the y axis negative direction, -1 is here. So again draw two perpendiculars and the perpendiculars meet at this point. We will write 3 and -1 here. Second point. Third point is -1 and 0. -1 and 0. 0 is the y coordinate, that means this point must be on the x axis, that means -1. This point is here, -1 and 0. Next one is 1 and 2. 1 here and 2 here. Draw two perpendiculars. This one, this is 1 and 2. Similarly, -3 and -5. -3 is on the x-axis here and -5 is, now we have to draw one more line, one more point, -5. Now -3 and from -5 two perpendiculars and the intersection point of two perpendiculars is the point -3 and -5. Now we have to say these points are lying where. First is -2 and 4. Students, you all know after dividing the plane in 4 equal parts, we will have the names of these 4 parts. First one is first quadrant. First quadrant. It is second quadrant. It is third quadrant and it is fourth quadrant. स्टूडेंट्स, मैं इसे डायरेक्ट भी कह सकता था कि ये पॉइंट्स कहाँ कहाँ हैं, बट हमको इसको वेरीफाई करना था, इसी कारण हमने ये ड्रॉ किया. ओके, नाउ वी कैन इजीली से -2 and 4 इज इन द सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. So we will write here second quadrant. Then 3 -1, 3 -1, 3 and -1 in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant. Students, एक चीज और हमने पढ़ा था, क्या? In this first quadrant, both the coordinates must be positive. In the second quadrant, first quadrant will be negative and second quadrant will be positive. In the third quadrant, first coordinate is negative and second coordinate is also negative. Both the coordinates are negative. And in the fourth, first coordinate is positive and second coordinate is negative. हम इसके थ्रू भी हम इस पॉइंट को बता सकते हैं कि कहाँ पे ये लाई कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट इज -1 and 0. -1 and 0 ऑन द x एक्सिस. तो -1 and 0 on x axis. Then 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 both are positive and both are in the first quadrant. Here first quadrant. Then -3 and -5. -3, -5 here in the third quadrant. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो स्टूडेंट्स इस तरह से आपको बताना है कार्टेशियन प्लेन में जब वेरीफाई करते हैं किसी क्वेश्चन को, तो हमको कार्टेशियन प्लेन में हमको एक ड्रॉ करना है ग्राफ पेपर, ओके, एंड इसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम उसको ये बताएंगे. अगर आपको ये चीज़ नहीं पूछता, इफ़ दे आर नॉट आस्किंग टू वेरीफाई इट, देन वी विल से डायरेक्टली दिस थिंग. Clear? So pause the video to be noted down.